This is where our stories live. Kapahaka, movies, and shows for everyone. And one app that just got better. Now, with profiles for all the whānau, you get more of what you're into. Now, pause over here, pick up over there. Update the app, sign in, and we'll handle the rest. All you need to decide,
just like Mum used to make,
is what to watch first.
This is home.
Pono mai, the all-new MāORI Plus.
USA, Team Cal. Australia against the odds, Scarborough, OCC. Lane 5, Kiwi, Waka, Singapore, Tafiti, Matea, and Australia's Newcastle. Off on their first leg. Looks like the Tahitians moving up in front. Running next to him, Sunset Bay, Golden Master Man in this repertoire. Everybody looking good on this first leg. Team Cal. Oh, Team Cal, let's see what you do in your first turn. All right, let's see this one. Who will make that tight turn? Ooh. Good one, man. Team Cal, lane 3, a little bit ahead. Battling for second right now on this second leg. ADT Va, Tahiti, Australia's against the odds. Scarborough, the other Australian, Sunset Bay, Golden Master. Repertoire sheets, top 2 move on. On this repertoire, we got these 3 crews right here. Sunset Bay, Australia, ADT Va, Tahiti, and Team Cal, USA. And against the odds, Australia. Negotiating the second turn. Ooh, Cal a little wide, but get around. Everybody even in the second turn. Sunset Bay, ADT Va, Team Cal. Against the odds, Australia, Singapore, and Australia's Newcastle. But running up in front, 3 canoes, Sunset Bay, Australia, ADT Va, Tahiti, and Team Cal, USA. First 2 out of the repertoire, y'all. So you gotta go, top 2, you gotta go. No waiting for the bus ain't waiting for you. Last one, last turn. Repertoire, last chance seats. Team Cow a little bit ahead of Sunset Bay Golden Master at ADT VA. The Aussies, the Californians, and the Tahitians. Third on the screen as we see. All in. Who get it tight? Who's coming out? A little bit ahead, Team Cow. Then the Aussies, then the Tahitians. Then the other Aussie against the odds. And Singapore and Newcastle. Final leg. Top two make it through. Sunset Bay, Australia, Tahiti's, ATT VA, USA, California, Team Cal. Like we say, you gotta go now. The coffee getting cold. Here we go. Top two move on, Team Cal and Sunset Bay, ADT VA. Team Cal making the push. They pushing. Come on, Sunset Bay, ADT VA, ale. Team Cal. Sunset Bay, ADT VA. Australia is against the odds, Scarborough. Singapore and Australia. Singapore and Australia's Newcastle. Right on, man.
Similar height to me.
Oh, really? Wow. They're lucky to have you. Very tall, isn't he? Sitting up straight.
Up right now, race 395, Master 60. Third rep charge. Light, Germany, lane 1, Takitimu Suki Bubas. Oh, Bubas, Aotearoa, lane 2. Lane 3, 2 Australians in 3 and 4, Ronan Gold and Hekili. Great Britain, Raspberry, Waka, and Singapore, Kiwi Waka, Singapore, Tangaroa. Third rep charge of Master Men 60. There we go. Top 2 move on. 6 of you guys, 2 of you guys will move on. Come on, gang.
They're all on one side. Yeah.
Close, even race right now off the start. Germany looking good.
Easy. That's what he calls.
Germany, Takitimu, Aotearoa, and the Australians, Ronan Gold and Hekili.
So we're all going. Are we going hard or we going
Raspberry, Great Britain.
We're all recording.
And Kiwi Waka Ama, Singapore.
They're going to back off. Distract. That
Approaching their first turn. The 1, 2, and 3 lanes together. Germany, Takitimo, Aotearoa, Ronin Gold, Aussies. Ronin Gold got ahead of them.
Come on, go, Coach!
Ronin Gold, Australia, pulling up. Not too far back is the Germans, Va Alliance and Aotearoa Takitimu. Great Britain holding their own, Raspberry. Second turn coming up. Ronin Gold up in front. Germany and Takitimu Suki Bobas. You guys get you guys names when you guys go drinking or something? All right. Going to the third turn. Third and last. Top two move on. Like I said, you gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go now. Gotta wait. Ronin Gold into the turn. Little small kind wide, but in and out. Still leading. We're going to make up for the second. Va Alliance, Germany, and Takitimo Suki Bobas. Aotearoa. The Babas, Suki Babas. You gotta ask those guys how they got their name. All right, top two moving on. So far, Ronin Gold leading this repechage.
Was that it? Did he yell it? Yeah. Did he? Good boy. He's like 2 votes in front.
Come on, Achilles!
Now Ronin Gold, Australia, winning this repechage. Moving on, and will be number 2 will be Germany, Va Alliance, Mannheim, Prenzlau, and Takitimu Suki Bobas. Raspberry, Great Britain, good showing. And then other Aussies, Hekili, Cairns OCC. And Singapore coming up. Next up, race 396, Master 50 Women V6000, 3-turn, repechage, 1 of 3. Lane 1, Aotearoa, Ruamata, Kiripatu. Lane 2, Brazil, Canalo, Vaz, Quarema. Lane 3, USA, Team Cal. Lane 4, USA, West Coast Outrigger. Lane 5, Aotearoa, Te Aorere, Manaferere. And lane 6, Nakekio Kamui, Ara, Waianae, Hawaii. No, maybe so, yeah. Small, yeah. Okay, cool. Black flag, black flag. Still the black flag. Come on, gang, black flag still up. Green Lantern, Imo. First repechage, 3 of 3. Top 2 moving on. On the start, Team Cal, lane 3, canoe 3. A little bit up front on the first start. 1,000 meter, 3 turns on a 250 meter course. When you're out there, the flags come up fast. All right, Team Cal.